Hi, my name is Mr. Schultz. I will be teaching you Agriculture 10, 20, and 30. In this introductory class, you will learn how Alberta has been shaped by agriculture. Alberta's second largest economy is actually agriculture. In this program, you will learn how to grow your own food. You'll also get an opportunity to learn how to take care of our fruit trees and harvest. This is an apple tree. We also have Saskatoons, grapes, gooseberries, pears. If you're into flowers, you get an opportunity to raise your own flowers in our 6 flower beds that help pollinate our bees and help our butterflies. But what I'm really excited about is that you'll get the skills that you will need to grow your own food. We will be showing you the proper techniques to grow food organically without the use of chemicals, show you how to actually fertilize the soil and plant plants like this tomato so that you can have healthy food at the end of the day. Our healthy food will be used in our foods program. You can also take it home, or we will sell it on our micro-business store. I'm really looking forward to having you so you can learn about healthy food.